Look at little birdie.
This is Allison, Charlotte's cousin, or Big A, and Little C. And Little C is eating applesauce. And sometimes she's wearing applesauce. But mostly she's a very good little eater girl. Charlotte loves the little tricks Allison plays. Are you looking at Daddy? You like the camera, don't you, Charlotte?
Charlotte!
Look at your cousin Allie.
Dinner has never been so much fun.
Yes, I know.
Good eater, Charlotte.
More need for more? Already?
Is Dad making loud noises because he bumps into things? Yeah. This is much more fun than when Dad feeds me.
That's because I'm funner than everybody else.
Yeah, Big A is the funnest.
Try to eat your apples. Look it!
Oh no! Out it goes! I was having too much fun.
Oh, that's not good. That's okay. We can wash that. That's okay. You like that, don't you? You like that, don't you? Yes, you do.
Such an entertaining dinner.
Not at dinner, it's a lunch.
Yeah, Nana. Good little giggles.
Yum, yum.